Good morning class, myself Pooja Kushwaha and I am your science teacher. Let's begin today's video with the keywords. We have done 4 keywords: balanced diet, berry, carbohydrates and energy yesterday. Let's start from the next one, that is fats. Okay, fats. Our next keyword is fats. So fats are a subgroup of compounds compounds as lipids lipids that are found in the body and have the general general property of being hydrophobic. Okay, hydrophobic means that do not dissolve in the water. Okay, example you can write here, that is oil, ghee, butter, etc. Ghee, butter, etc. Okay, I'm reading it again. Fats are a subgroup of compounds as lipids that are found in the body and have the general property of being hydrophobic. फैट एक बड़े ग्रुप का छोटा ग्रुप होता है, जैसा कि कंपाउंड होता है जो कि हमारे शरीर में भी मिलता है, और इसमें एक जनरल प्रॉपर्टी होती है कि ये पानी में डिजॉल्व नहीं होता है, पानी में नहीं घुलता है. आप इसको पास से भी देख सकते हैं. कुछ बच्चों को देखने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, इसलिए ये पास से दिखा दे रही हूँ. इसको आप पास से देखकर इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं ताकि बाद में आप इसको लिख सकें इजीली. ओके, लेट्स गो ऑन द नेक्स्ट वन. आवर नेक्स्ट कीवर्ड इज मिनरल्स. इट इज मिनरल्स. Number 6 it is minerals. Minerals are inorganic nutrients that is मतलब होता है, it means that is they are material found in foods and are essential की स्पेलिंग ESSENTIAL, essential for growth and health and they do not contain CONTAIN, do not contain the element. Which element? It is carbon. That's why it is inorganic. जिसमें कार्बन नहीं होता है वो इनऑर्गेनिक कहलाता है. ठीक है. सो मिनरल्स आर इनऑर्गेनिक न्यूट्रिएंट. ये एक इनऑर्गेनिक पोषक तत्व है दैट, जिससे हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये वो मटेरियल जो फूड में मिलता है और हमारी ग्रोथ के लिए और हमारी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, और इसमें कार्बन नहीं होता है. एग्जाम्पल की अगर हम बात करें, देन कैल्शियम, sodium, potassium. Okay, these are the examples of minerals that we required on the daily basis. Okay, minerals are inorganic nutrients, that is, they are material found in foods and are essential for growth and health and do not contain the elements carbon. Example: calcium, sodium, etc. Okay, let's do the next one, that is nutrients. What do you understand by the nutrients? Nutrients: substances that provides nourishment, essential for the maintenance of life and for growth. Okay, are called nutrients. You know the name of the nutrients very well. If you want to write, you can write the nutrients name also here. Okay, this is one definition. You can write the another one, or we can say that राइट लाइक और, बीच में से और लिख दीजिएगा, फिर लिखना शुरू कीजिएगा. न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर compounds in foods essential to life and health, providing us with energy, the building blocks for repair and growth, and substances necessary to regulate means control, to regulate chemical processes. Where do these processes happens? In our body. Okay, there are 5 major nutrients that you know, that carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, minerals. Okay, water is also an essential part of our body. Let's do the next one, that is What is the next? Proteins. It is proteins. All of you, please write proper spelling of proteins. You can take the screenshot of it for writing. Nutrients are compounds in food essential to life and health, providing us with energy, the building blocks for repair and growth, and substances necessary to regulate chemical processes. Okay, next one is the proteins. Let's do the proteins. Proteins, proteins. This is the spelling of proteins. Don't mistake it. Highly complex substance that are present in all living organisms. Okay. Proteins are highly complex substances that are present in all living organisms. Proteins are of great nutritional value. Value. Value, and are directly involved in the chemical processes essential for life. Okay, this is the definition of the protein. Proteins are highly complex substances that are present in all living organisms. Proteins are of great nutritional value and are directly involved in the chemical processes essential for life. You can take the screenshot of it so that you can write it. Okay, firstly half and then half. Okay, thank you for watching, students. Rest of the 4 keywords we will do tomorrow, and your today's homework is to draw the 2 sources of fat. Yesterday I gave you to draw the 2 sources of carbohydrate, and yesterday you have drawn the sources of protein. So today your homework is to draw 2 sources of fat. Okay, thank you, students, for watching. See you tomorrow.